Okay, so this is the outside of the house. There's a drain there, fall pipe, stack pipe. Okay, and going in. This is the downstairs room, and all this kitchen's going to be redone. We want a, back out here, radiators. Want a radiator here, removing. This radiator removing. The pipes are on surface mounted on there, and we want to take the pipes over to here and down, and a small radiator just where the coats are putting, and then a new radiator over here under the table on that back wall, a long one. Access to the pipes is in here, or can be in here. This is behind the stud. I can make this cavity, make this access better. I can move these wires. There's a stopcock there, and pipes for the sink and stuff. This way I can make this hole bigger, but I won't do it until we need to use it because it's cold. So we want a sink putting, this is stud wall as well, and under the sink here there is these want removing, because, or moving, because could perhaps use them there actually, because the, need to talk to you, the washing machine will be going here, and the sink, this cooker, this hob wants disconnecting gas. The gas is just under, behind that door there. The new sink will go about here. Okay. Then upstairs, I'll just show you the bathroom, but this is okay. This doesn't need doing. I'll show you the boiler. The boiler is in here. Worcester something, I think it's 3000, I don't know. There you are. Green Star 30 CDI. All these shelves will come out. Pipe work. What I'm suggesting you do is go that way under the, through in the, between the floorboards. The joists run the right way, and you can go into this cupboard here. Right, this is the first floor bedroom. And what I want is a small radiator put in just there. You can feed that up pretty easily from downstairs, from that cavity. And then upstairs again. In this room, this will have a stud wall built across here to make a very small toilet with sink. The sink go in here, the toilet go in here, with the full waste pipe going out through that wall. So there'll be, the electrics will be done with a cable for an extractor. and we want a small radiator in here, which I don't know, possibly go on here, just a very small one. So that's that bit. This is the, I'll just show you this bedroom because this is done. So I don't know whether you can see, this is your view from the bedroom window. Okay, that's quite nice. Okay, so the fall pipe, waste pipe, will come out there and goes straight down here to a, I don't know if you can see that waste pipe there, that's drain water runs into it, but that waste pipe comes over here and goes down there. As you see, that's next door. Next door they have a toilet there, so that goes into that pipe there, and also another toilet here which goes into the same one. So that fall pipe runs right through there and joins up with mine. There you go, you see. And I think that's it.